Kuya, music please. Happy Halloween, guys! Happy birthday, Halloween! Tita Pinty, happy birthday! Ba't yan?
Okay.
Outside food!
Ay, gumawa ka?
May food sa labas! Surprise for you. Oh my God, Natasha! Ayun na po yung Di ba everyday na the hope for a party?
Aso mo giging tayo. Okay, everyone. Ma, party ka na dyan.
Awa na ako sa sarili.
Okay, nag-prepare kami ni Bea ng game. So, kailangan ko yung bottle. Dahil kailangan natin sa food.
So while drinking wine, siguro
sorry,
perfect yung game.
You have to open this later pa sa amin.
It's called Truth or Consequence.
Oh my God!
Sorry, but if you want to try it.
Truth or Consequence.
Okay lang. Please.
Gusto mo na kayo sa mga cheers.
Sitting up?
Yes?
Dapat safe. Sir, kumusta si nanay? Sobra, baka hindi mag-stay. Guys, meet our new housemates.
Welcome to Candy! Hindi na kayo malalabas Hindi na kayo lalabas! Na-set up na mga schedule nyo! Yeah! It's the end of your life! Answer yan! You're my crush.
Thank you.
Crush mo?
Yes.
Talaga?
Ba naman di magiging crush, JL?
Oh, sige. Sige. Ganda ng circle natin. Ano ubal?
Sorry, madam. Medyo straight na, sir.
When did you do the biggest switch in your life?
As soon as I...
Pero convinced ba? Na-convinced ba si John Lloyd?
Ha? Ikaw dapat yata ang mag-judge kung na-convince ka.
You
Okay?
should.
But, sige, we'll decide later.
What I have to say, I'm not convinced. I was shopping in Glorietta, and they had the
Sa
clear
Glorieta
stand.
2 ba to?
It was in the Center Square.
No, we don't know.
In Glorietta, and I saw the clear stands, and then I decided to switch to clear at that point. That was like a month ago. Wow, thank you. I'm convinced.
If you are convinced, okay. So am I.
Okay.
Pero wait lang, balikan natin siya kasi Bea, hindi tayo na-convince. So,
Hindi ko maintindihan yung question niyo eh.
When did you do
sorry pare. Sorry kung hindi mo naintindihan yung question namin. Okay, para kay Baron, ulitin natin. Pero sorry, pero you had your chance, so wala na tayong magagawa. Bahay ni ate.
What's happening to you? Are you now
Okay, so go, pare.
Ha? Let's go.
You have to... Babae ba ito, lalaki? Ha?
Listen.
Isa lang, ha?
Society eh. Actually,
Okay, bro.
Okay,
Again, when did you do the biggest switch in your life?
Well, siguro yung biggest switch, syempre sobrang haggard sa sa pagka-blindfold. Syempre medyo weird na yung itsura ng buhok, so medyo... Hindi ko naman ininom, pero... I tried it. Felt invigorated. So,
Wow.
then I made that switch.
Tell mo ngayon, invigorated.
Yeah, that's when I made my switch, and I'm very thankful for the shampoo. It's helped my social life a lot, as you can see.
Let me see.
But medyo magulo ngayon.
Okay, so, Bea? Ano? Okay, I'm sorry. Grabe kayo ah. Wow kayo.
Like yung shampoo.
When did you do the biggest switch in your life?
Actually, even before coming here, I've already made the biggest switch of my life. Kahit ngayon, at this very moment, pumunta kayo sa bahay ko, makikita nyo kung anong shampoo ang ginagamit ng mga tao doon dahil yun din ang ginagamit ko. I use clean.
Wow! Thank you. I'm convinced.
Marami talaga
We are.
Thank you,
We
Miss Yayo.
believe you.
Kaya hindi mo ko convince.
Megan!
Megan!
No, Megan said
Ikaw.
Okay, my biggest switch was when I became house girl here sa Big Brother, and I became really more responsible and aware of my actions. So,
I like that.
me too.
So, okay, we're convinced. Oh, we'll see.
Parang sumasama yung tingin mo sa amin, Baron.
John.
My biggest switch was coming to the house. I was looking to have a shower, then I saw the shampoo. Tapos, I tried it, loved it, and switched to it.
I'm convinced.
Sagot ko
That's
yan.
it?
Hinahawa niya na sagot.
Are you convinced?
You don't look convinced.
I loved it, and I switched to it. After I
We're
tried
not
it.
convinced.
As a shower gel.
Sorry, pare, but you have to kiss someone. Okay. Swim nga tayo.
Skirt. Ito na yan, pare. Ikaw na lang.
Oh my God!
Ikaw gusto kong matanong eh. Gusto kong matanong.
Dayan mo na lang.
I switched. I used to be a host of PBBN, and now I am a housemaid. So yun, that was the biggest switch of my life.
Sorry ma, pero hindi ako na-convince. Sorry, you had your chance pero hindi ko na-convince. So,
Sorry, we're not convinced.
you have to go. Kiss someone. Mariel.
Do this. Baron!
Okay na ako sa second best. Pwede na. I did okay na.
Okay.
Kami naman. Ilag. So, yun nga, when did you do the biggest switch in your life?
Kilala yung banda namin bilang isang banda na makakapal ang buhok. Mahirap mag-gitara ng nakangati ang buhok. At mahirap magsuot ng itim ng may puti sa balikat. So I found this new shampoo and conditioner and made a big switch. And our album turned platinum.
I'm convinced. I am.
Mataas ang respeto ko sa mga banda sa Pilipinas.
Ayan.
Kaya,
Ikaw na lang.